And on the mix, we have Lady V. Now go catch the video and listen to what she has to say and what her viewers have to say. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe on the channel as always. And have a wonderful day.
Anyways, let me go ahead and talk up the two things them no man and run out of the place and go on with myself. When they don't like you, people who come here, all I wanna have the person that work on a like you. Raise your hand, just say me. If you have a person for your job who will fight you and not like you can just type me. We are gonna work with the meeting from here. So or present. You can't just type present. So if you have a co-worker or if you're there and if you're there, who there? Christian, who there? If you don't have a person at work where fight you don't want to lose, you look at work and lose in the position, every day then complain, you know, come 2 minutes late, you know, get right up. Every twist you turn, you can't do nothing right. Them a pressure on them a fight because they want to gone. GT Prince Royals, my sister V. What go on? All right, and if you have the mother-in-law there, wanna know what we are talking about? The mother-in-law. Wanna come now? Who out here with me? Me not do this by myself, you know. Myself share the life. I am not doing this by myself. Mark Parker, where you there? More some people love to talk and write up something them, you know, cause me want some help, me want some fire. Wanna push little, give me push back little, go energy. You have the person that will work, will fight against you no matter what you do. When you do the bulk of the work, then take the credit feet. Then I want you get no shine. Then I want you get no promotion. And every time they can put you in a trouble and put you in a trouble. Every minute you get dropped in a staff meeting. Every minute you get warning. Every minute there's an infraction. Talk to me nice if you know something about it, then it's sorry. So this is what I want us to talk about. If anyone in here have the mother-in-law there. You know the witchy poo mother-in-law. Do you understand what I'm saying tonight? Do we have a witness in the building that I have a mother-in-law? Thank God. Me not a mother-in-law. My mother-in-law was speech, but she gone home. Look here. Do we have a witness that we have the witchy poo mother-in-law there. We have fight everything between we and their son. They want to all be a part of the something. They want to be in the big light because they want to tell their son what to do and what to not do. And how to spend and how to not spend. And she embrace all the other side chicks and when my car come. She knows that the son not loyal to you know, and she knows how you give the boy everything and do all the most. You have to tell the co-worker to just stop off for you. The wicked mother-in-law there, well, why if you come to Cameroon, if you are Jamaican, you know where Cameroon mean when you got people yard, go clean and wash them clothes and I go on like, I'm out. Yeah, oh, the door, but I sure love your queen later. Later, honey, you stay blessed, darling. I love your chocolate. Big up yourself. You know, so this is what I am saying. You have that mother-in-law will come like say your happiness a part of fear, sadness. She don't want to see you happy, so she become a thorn in your flesh. She chat you with everybody. As soon as her son go and go just I say something, she tell the son, oh, you're not the right woman. And when they go to the one year, and church sister, daughter did love him from them young, and the one they should have did married to, yet still you know, the one they couldn't help her son. And yet still a fear money the son take a help feed her. You don't know them mother-in-law, the witch-in-law them. You don't know them, no? You don't know look at witch-in-law, mother-in-law them. You have one? Okay. So you know them stepchildren they know. We'll knock a couple of them hard tonight. You know them step pitney there. We're on a fear pitney. Your man did have 2 pitney and when you take him up, you take him with the 2 pitney and become a blended family. You and for your 2 pitney and him and feeding 2 pitney, so we become this blended family. Anybody understand what me I say? Me no want to talk, I don't understand, you know. And you know, so you be so nice to these stepchildren. When me say you're nice to them to a T. If you give your daughter a drumstick, you give the stepchildren a drumstick. If you buy one Puma for your daughter, you buy Puma for everybody. If you buy iPhone for your daughter, you buy iPhone for everybody because you see them as one. You love them just like how you love for you. But they have the little witch in the mama down there. We always a call and a ask question, oh, you and the man. How the man treat you. If you're not happy, if this, and if that, and if 7, and if 11, and the little pit then corrupt now because the mother tell them so they nothing like you. Oh, and she can't be your mother, and she can't replace me. Oh, and as she take for your father, as she mash up me and your father, that's why you know have we as father and mother and father not married to me. You little wicked step in them. Want to know them? Somebody come here, tell me if you don't know them, because word of a talk, little bitish. Little bitish word of a talk. I want to know about these things. So them nah gonna like you. Yes. I have the evil step parents them just like that. Just because the woman where them no like pitney, them no want like the pitney, so them a mistreat the child. So we have it on both sides. True, the woman don't like you, she no like you pitney them, and she encourage the man for not even do nothing for him pitney them. No left nothing pan the will for him pitney them. And no for give the outside child the same amount like when give the inside child. Yes. And them people that will come for rub out tonight. Them same kind of people that will come for tell them to go back inside. Nobody not send call you. Nobody not care about you and your opinion and your views. Right, no matter. Christine Clark, what's up, Shorty? You good? This is the thing, you know. You see when people not like you, hey Mary, me did have one when she eat out the plate, she put it down for me for wash. Okay, she done name out it dirty all 3 times. I just put food in the same plate again and again and again. If you think you're wicked, you want to meet me. If you think you're disgusting, wait till you run up in me. You can't disgusting more than me. After you're not bigger than me, after you're not madder than me. You're madder than your mother, but you're not madder than me. You're madder than your mother, but you're not madder than me. I start from a place of 100% respect with people. Until you disrespect me, me not disrespect you. Disrespect come after you disrespect me. Yeah, me start from 100 and work my way down. So anytime you want to work your way down, are you? Oh yeah. No child that come to my house and rule my house. There's rules in here. And whether you're my biological child or is a stepchild, you go follow the rules because the rules are here. Just like how my children could never disrespect. My daughter and my son are not the same fathers. I don't know if you have ever heard me said this before. But my daughter and my son don't share the same father. They're 2 different man. Pick me. Make it clear, okay? And my daughter could never, ever disrespect my son's father. Couldn't. You know why? He has never ever disrespected her. He has never screamed at her, shout at her in form of correction. He never hit her, because that would never be allowed. And let me tell you, that little girl respect that man down to the T. Shanafi, that little girl respect that man down to the T, down to the wire. This day, she would say things like, that should have been my dad. And it's not because our dad is not a good person. It's not because our father is not a good person. It's not because our father is not a nice and kind person and a provider and really takes good care of her when she was young. It wasn't that. It was just the relationship she had with her brother's father. We never go on vacation. Him, me, and my son, and my little daughter no go. When we would say to our father, we going on vacation July. So get the ticket. And when July come, him no get the ticket. Mr. Sir say, we are a family, and if we are going on a vacation, she's a part of the family. She goes on the vacation. So even if it's a last minute buy, she's going. Oh yes. I'm happy I gave birth to 3. So if stepchildren gonna disrespect me, no.